I'm going to do a quick walkthrough on how to add a new class event for your FFSC classes. I'm in the Content Explorer. Let's see here, let me navigate there again. Okay, I'm in the Content Explorer. I'm going to go to FFSC classes, and you see I have a number of them already listed. To add a new one, I'm going to hit the plus icon, and I have a blank activity detail where I'm going to fill in the class information, the name of the class. I'm going to assign an image. Make sure to tick the featured box here. I'm going to designate the proper installation and location through the drop-down menus here. I'm then going to go over to description, where I add all the details of my class here. And then we'll go over into tags, find the appropriate tag for the class, and then groups for the appropriate permissions assignment. After I have all that filled in, I'll hit save. I'm going to use a finished example here. Good idea before you get into the activity detail, before you start filling in anything, before you even step into the website admin, good idea to have all of your class information, descriptions, locations, etc., all in one place, so that you don't have to navigate between a number of documents while you're trying to add content here or trying to make a new listing. So again, here's the title of my class. I navigated to the Media Manager to find my image of choice, wherever you might have them in a collections folder. Let's see, this happens to be, should be, Fleet and Family. And there's my image. I'm going to double click on that, close that out, and my image is there. I've ticked the feature box so that the event listing shows up on your installation homepage. There's a textual listing of events, and this will show up there in a timely manner. I've assigned the appropriate installation, being Naval Base Point Loma, and the appropriate facility, program facility, FFSC Gateway Village Branch. I've dialed in my description. I copy and pasted pre-prepared text. Really important when you're copying and pasting any text from a different platform, be it Word or an email or what have you. Really important when you paste it in to always hit the Remove Format button, and this helps immensely. It just so you don't have any other formatting dragged in from any other application you might be using to wrangle your text. I'd like to keep this top headline as a heading 3 headline, a little bit bold, stands out from the rest of your text. Whatever you think needs to be highlighted here, I like to put the date and time. And again, whatever else you think is necessary. Okay, so next we go over to tags. We want to tag this with the FFSC classes tag in Point Loma. So you'll see you can navigate to the set of Point Loma tags, and then you want to go to Support Center, where you'll also find FFSC classes, and then you'll add it with the arrow icon here. And then you want to set your group permissions. So Point Loma owns this class event. So I'm going to give them primary permission. I'm going to give granted permission to the other websites in San Diego Metro so that this event shows up throughout all San Diego Metro. And then you'll hit save, and you'll be presented with, you're not done yet, really important to use this add icon to create a new activity instance detail, which lets you fill in your date and time here appropriately. Really important, you have a start date and you have an end date. These should always be identical regardless of your event type. You could have a single event, a recurring weekly or monthly event. This always stays identical to the start time, start date and end date. Then here you'll set your time, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., and your display date. And then you hit save, and you are done.